Hello everyone, how to Tots back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to refresh your TikTok algorithm feed. So if you don't like your current feed on TikTok, like you don't expect unwanted videos that you don't like, then you can refresh your algorithm feed. Then you can see the popular videos, and TikTok recommend you according to your interest after that. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok app. Then simply tap here right bottom corner, it's a profile icon. Then tap here three line right top corner. Tap here settings and privacy. Tap here content preference. Tap here refresh your feed. So you can say refresh your feed will temporarily show you popular videos you may not normally see. Watch, like, comment and share videos so we can learn your preference. Once refreshed, your feed should feel more personalized. Simply tap the start button, and now it's progress. So you can go, you can type anything like why you don't like your current feed. Then it's progress now. So once you watch the video, then if you like any videos, then TikTok understand your interest and recommend videos according to your interest later.